loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's victim is Princess Rapunzel, and oh my god, this costume was killing me and the braid was super heavy. So today, for the first time, I think we're not gonna remove her makeup at all because we will have no prosthetics in the face and only this little monstrosity in my neck. For anyone wondering what the hell is that growth, I was inspired by the bent neck lady. If you know, you know. So I made this prosthetic on this little foam head that I had, and yeah, it's super soft because it's all cotton in the middle and just a little layer of latex on top. So it's very comfy, although you have to bend your neck the whole time because otherwise it's useless. Quickly mapping out where I want the other injuries to be, and today we'll be using the Skin Illustrator palettes and this grease paint palette that I bought from AliExpress. So today we're doing another dead lady, so I think it's a bit repetitive and I think it's pretty obvious what I'm doing. So let me just tell you the story behind today's look. So imagine being kidnapped and being held captive in a tower all alone forever. I mean, I would be depressed. So instead of waiting for a prince that will never come, boys, right? She decided to set herself free. So she hung herself from the tower. It's pretty sad. But yeah, so I was inspired by the bent neck lady. It might not be the most realistic thing, but I thought it was cool. So we have arrived at the point where I'm veining the skin. I'm adding teeny tiny veins, mostly under her eyes, and also a little bit of blue on the lips because lack of oxygen. And if you were wondering why I had this little red stripe in my neck, it's a burn from the hair. So I covered it with a little layer of latex so we can rip that open so it looks like the skin is really injured. I'm giving her a more sunken in look with a brown eyeshadow. And then it's time to apply our masterpiece, the broken neck. One layer of liquid latex on my skin and one layer on the prosthetic, and just place them where you want it. Then I cover the edges with an extra layer of latex. So don't forget to powder when you apply latex, otherwise it will stick together. I'm tearing open some parts of the layer of liquid latex to make it look like a rope burn from the hair. Yes, it feels as uncomfortable as my face tells you. I'm filling those holes in with a darker shade of red. Since our latex prosthetic is white, I'm basing it out with a more orange color. This will give a more natural result when you cover it with foundation. Once you get the skin tone right, it's time to start shading. It might not be super obvious on screen, but I created some folds in the prosthetic to make it look like the skin was under tension. And now I'm adding some bruised tones like blue and purple to make it look like the skin was bruised, obviously. Time to add lenses, which makes such a difference to this look. I mean, come on. And then I'm using my Creolan eye blood drops. Yes, I know you should not be using them when you wear lenses, but I did it at my own risk. But don't be like me. Here's my lovely assistant for today, and there she is, Rapunzel. Super dead. I think she's my favorite from this series of this year, but there's more fun to come. Yep. Do let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.